You're stuck in traffic, cars not moving, horns everywhere. Your 20-minute ride just turned into an hour, maybe 2. Now picture this instead. You tap a button, walk outside, and 5 minutes later, you're flying over all of it. Yeah, sounds amazing. So why are people actually scared of it? This is the new air taxi from Joby Aviation, and it just took over New York City skies during their Electric Skies 2026 tour. And honestly, this might be the biggest shift in how we move around cities in decades. But not everyone is excited. Let's start with the part that feels almost unreal. New York to JFK in about 5 to 10 minutes. Not on a good day. Not if traffic is light, just every time. No tunnels, no gridlock, no stress. You don't even need to plan much. The idea is simple. Open an app, book your ride, and it even connects with Uber to get you to the takeoff point. Door to door, ground to sky. Done. And the craziest part? It's electric, so it's way quieter than helicopters, like coffee shop conversation quiet. Now, if you're wondering what this thing looks like, it's not a plane, not a helicopter, it's kind of both. 6 tilting propellers, takes off straight up like a drone, then tilts forward and flies like an airplane. Top speed? Around 200 miles per hour. Range? Roughly 100 miles. Inside, 4 passengers, 1 pilot, and a whole lot of computers doing the heavy lifting. This isn't just flying, it's software, sensors, automation, all working together in real time. And that's exactly where the fear starts creeping in. Because let's be honest, you're basically stepping into what looks like a giant flying drone. No wings like a traditional plane, no big engine roar to feel the power. Just smooth, quiet lift into the sky. For some people, that's amazing. For others, that silence feels wrong. Then there's the price. Around $200 per ride. Now yeah, it might save you over an hour. But still, people are asking, is it worth it? Is it safe? Would I trust this thing with my life? And maybe the biggest one, what happens when the sky is full of these? Because this isn't just about one aircraft. This is about changing how cities work. If this scales, where you live, where you work, how far feels, all of that changes. Traffic doesn't disappear, it just moves up. So yeah, skipping traffic forever sounds incredible. But getting people comfortable with flying this way, that's the real challenge. Would you try it? Or are you keeping your feet firmly on the ground?